new rumba choreography. So we start with the back basic, count 4-1, replace back 2, 30, 4-1. Stay with your partner all the time give. And so you're doing a hip twist with the melting, and give your partner, always give connection. Quick, into the fan, into the slow, 4-1. Closing into fan, 2, 30, 4-1, two-hand connection, hip twist again, and again we're going for the fan. And quick, and slow, excellent. From here, fan, closing to the fan, walk. From here, you're gonna do variation over the spot turn, finishing with the side step, 2 and 30, 4-1. So here we are rocking a little bit. Now you're going into the opening out, 4-1. Now syncopated opening out, fast opening out, walk into the high knee position. Then I turn you, you'll have a replace back, give to your partner, never take, give. So you always give, pressing front, using your legs. Walk side, stretch, gradual build up into the rumba basic. 2 and 30, 4-1, into the fan again, 30, 4-1. From here, this time we're gonna close fan a little bit slower and press your shoulder to the hip, a little bit on the hook, go run. Now from a Cuban rock, we're rocking until I send you in. Working your hips. Now from here into high cross position, I spin you away, you going into sit, I go spin. So then point, and then I invite you to dance again. Very good, we connect. So first we have a preparational step, you replace forward, then we're going for overturn, warm and warm. Now walk with me, rumba walks with me together into the crab walks, walk into the hip twist, into alemana, quick, slow into sliding door, 2 and 30, 4-1, and 2 and 30 and 4-1. Place change into stretch away, keep stretching, I can go here, you stretching, then we go in, out, telemark, spin away into the position, reach, boom, close your legs. Hip. Now separation. Perfect. Very good.
And build up 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, you turn 1, 2, stay there, 3, 4, I turn 6, 7, now attack, 1, and 1, cross, 2, collect legs, 3, now you're going to do back bend, 1 and 2, 3, go behind you, walk, sit. Then go walk around, walk, something, I don't know. Walk and there. This is position. Let's go back.
Okay, so we start paso doble, closing legs. We build up. First of all, we're gonna wait 8 counts on which we're gonna build up. So what we're gonna do? We will press our hips together. We will send our rib cage away from each other, and we're gonna You're gonna give and I will receive. So we'll create that beautiful connection, very strong connection. And your head should be to the right as much as you can. Right. So we have it 8 counts. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6. Just feel it. 7, 8. And now on the second 8, we're gonna go. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, I start curving and lifting my arms. So you're gonna change your head. 5, excellent. 6, 7, 8. One we got here. So now I will be really strongly turning my body. So you keep looking to your left and we're doing slip pivot. Warm, warm, warm into the position number 1, which is a, yes, back leg straight. In a press line, yes, back leg straight. This is count 5, 6, then you change, and 7. And 7, position number 2, right. So it's here. This is 5, 6, then you switch, and 7. Stretching this leg back. Like a cruzado walk, almost like you do in Samba. Just go press line. 5, 6, and 7. Excellent. Turn this way. Very good. Turn out this foot. Now from here, I switch. You're going to go into like a cruzado walk forward with the finishing of the back foot. Turn out that leg. 2, and now you go up. And up, high cross. Yeah, cross your legs. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. So watch here. You're going forward, then you're going up, back cross. And front, back cross. And front, back cross. From this cruzado walk position. Forward, forward, go forward. We already changed. We already changed. Forward, right. Okay, forward. You're here. Excellent. Forward, go up, back cross. Ta, ta. Yeah. Connect here, look this way. And front, back cross. And front, back cross. And walk. Now walk forward. And from here, it's going to be more sense of developing position, breathing, possibly breathe. Right arm here, left arm here. Pushing away, you go in, out. Go in, out, out. Yeah, hips forward, rib cage is away. And now go 4 walks to me. Going walk and a walk, walk, and from here I'm turning you, flip you, and you can lift your knee in an attacking way, boom, and lift your thigh, and you will have a feeling like you're gonna fall forward, boom, like an eagle, looking straight, boom, in that very much falling position, boom, in order to kick, land, and then build up from there. That's a new, from the possibly build up, right leg forward, yeah, step forward. Yes, so build up, you're going. Connection is the most important. In, out. Yeah, so your knees should be straight at the beginning of the development. Chest forward, knee straight. And then as your rib cage going back, your hips going forward, and they're going to bend your knee. Right. So going in, out. Very good. Connection is the key. Push, push, push. Knee up. Boom. And now from here, lift on you, here on your knee, go kick, boom, build up. Now your spine drift forward, you falling, you have the sense of appel. Wom, walk, walk, walk. Are we gonna go through as much as we can? Let's try that. Knee up, kick, and boom, build up, and go, and yes, very good. So here, and now you have right leg. And then from the left leg you have attacking walk. So the right leg will hit, left leg will go here, and cross, build up, and now this leg hit, go, and push, yeah, push. So let me teach you how to do that pushing walk. So stay like this, it's very, very simple. Bend your legs, and you're gonna push from the foot. Push, and push, 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 push. And as you push, there will be a moment where you should straight the leg to arrive. And push, and push. Yes, boom. And just feel my energy and just go with the flow. That's also a very good way of doing it. And cross, yes, very good again. Kick, kick, land, very good, watch. Kick and left. Right leg kick, left leg land, right. Tick and boom, very good, build up, and go, and run, 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 run,